So last week I went to New York for the first time. It was brilliant. I'd never been, but the trip didn't quite start how I'd planned. And I was going to try and explain what happened. I thought I'd show you. It's easier. So this video documents my first hour in New York.
That monster storm is starting right now.
Tonight, that nor'easter bringing some airports to a total standstill.
15 states in the storm zone.
Flights at Newark Airport completely shut down for over an hour.
Listen, officials here are calling this a brutal snowstorm.
Bit of a mess here. Our gate, they just switched it in the last minute and it's occupied right now. So they tell us it's about 10 minutes. So we're sitting here right now. We may be moving on and off throughout the next 10 to 15 minutes. So just please stay seated. The seatbelt sign's going to stay on. Bear with us and we'll get you to the gate just as quickly as we can.
Watch your step as you exit the aircraft. It is snowy and icy as you step onto the jet bridge.
Bye. Take care. Stay warm. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
We're out there on the roads. We're going to be ready for the storm. We have 40,000 tons of rock salt ready to be loaded and spread throughout the city of Austin.
Tonight, a nightmare commute. That major nor'easter bringing a full-on whiteout. Powerful storm dumping up to 3 inches an hour of snow from New York City to Philadelphia, accompanied by flashes of lightning.
Hi, David, here in the city. It's been a wet snow, but the strongest bands now of the storm working their way through the New York tri-state area. Heavy snow through Connecticut, Long Island, nearing blizzard conditions. The center of the low just south there is rapidly intensifying through the afternoon. It will continue its track across Cape Cod into the Gulf of Maine. Rain to snow in Boston briefly as it all ends from west to east overnight tonight into replacing gusty winds away from this city. Again, 1 to 2 feet of snow, lesser amounts because of the wetness here in the city, but a miserable commute after you dig out this morning. And an active weather pattern, David, looks like another potential nor'easter coming to us. Round up.
Yes, we made it.
In New York City, there are nearly 6,000 outages. Long Island's number stands at 21,500.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it the old thumbs up. And if you're into filmmaking and want to learn more about travel videos and how to make them, then be sure to subscribe. I post a new video each week. You can do that by clicking this icon here. If you'd like to watch another video, you can do that by clicking here. But that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.